Simply Mama D's. Today we're going to be grilling a recipe I found ironically on Facebook. Oh, hi, we're back. Sorry. I was getting distracted thinking about what I was going to make. So, we're going to make Huli Huli Chicken on the grill with grilled pineapple for dinner. Granted, it's kind of late, but yeah, it's dinner. But anyhow, let's get started. But before we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel so we can get to 50 subscribers and do that giveaway. I have a grill lined with foil because this woman likes grilled food but does not like the mess. So I'm putting it on this with some nonstick spray. So we just flipped over the chicken. It's been grilling for about 10 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and I poured a little bit more of the non-contaminated marinade. Keep in mind, whenever you marinate meat, you cannot reuse the marination that you stored the meat in, because at that point it's contaminated and you could actually make yourself sick. Anyhow, if you look down below, you will see the ingredients for the marinade for this recipe. So we're doing our last turn, and then the next time we will take these off the grill. Chicken, and you can cut up chopped green onions and toss them and put them on top if you desire. Enjoy!